One of the problem encountered during the previous release of the SilVerTek learning management system, uh, the lower version of this version 30.0.5, is that whenever we install or reinstall the system, uh, all our data, especially in our classes, uh, were getting lost, no? So I tried to make a solution on that in this version 30.0.5 Diamond Dale. So what I did is I changed the system files directory of the system so that whenever we install, all our data will still be remained, no? Hindi po siya mawawala. So that's one of the uh, innovation in this SilVerTek version 30.0.5. But there are also few problems that arises with respect to the change of our path or sa system files of our system, no? Especially on the generation of reports such as let me take a look at with this sample class, such as this report is F9 and good moral character. And if there is a diploma for grade 6, grade 10, and grade 12, or the certificate of completion, there will also be a problem encountered with that, no? Also here in the consolidated grades, and then this honor roll with certificate, if we are going to generate this a report, we will be having problems with the database of our report. Now it's because we are changing path, and I was not able to check this features since masyado na po malaki yung system natin at hindi ko po talaga na-check whenever I do updates. So I just rely on your feedback. So one of my Nexus member today um, give me feedback about this error. So I've decided to think of a solution, immediate solution, so that I don't need to update the system. So the I think of an immediate solution for the problem. No, to the to show you what the error is, I just want you to show you, or I just want to demonstrate to you how to download the that report, no? Say for example, I am here in my grade 3 sample class English, and I want to download the SF 9 or the report card, and then click this download report card so that I can download the report card. So it will give me a zip file. So um I just want to save this one in the download folder, and then click on save, and just click on yes to replace the files now. Then I will try to open that downloaded file in the downloads. Also have to delete this first. So no, sorry, I'm gonna need to close this one. Don't save also this one. Let's see. Okay, try again. Okay, what I did is I just delete a file here, the database, because inside this folder, this zip folder is the card.docx, which is the card, and also we have here the database, which is the database of our data included in the download of is F5, no, is F9. Okay, we'll try to extract this one by right clicking and then click on WinRAR and then extract here, and we will see here. Yeah, it will give us these two files now. Okay, we'll close delete that this file card. Now we'll try to open this card .docx, and then after that I'm just gonna close this one. Just click save. Okay, and then I will just try to maximize this one and then click enable editing. So it will pop up, or it will show us a message that we have a problem in opening our database. So, 'pag ganito po yung pop-up na message niya, ang ibig po sabihin niyan ay yung database po, kasi nga naka-mail merge yung, we're using the mail merge technology on our SF9, hindi po niya na-locate yung file ng database natin. Yan yung database natin. So, ang gagawin lang po natin ay ilo-locate po natin siya, yung gagawin nating file muna ngayon, since this is just an immediate solution, ito lang pong database na kasama niya. So, yun yung gagawin natin database niya, database file. So, gagawin lang po natin, click natin yung yes, and then we will locate that file through document, downloads, and then click on that database file, and then click open, and then boom, it's okay. It's now okay. Now, same will do also with um with this uh with this good moral character in or diploma, or in the consolidated grades. We have this also honor roll with certificate, no? Same will do with what I did earlier, no? So that's it, no? If we try to click here, mailings and then recipients, we will increment the recipients. We can see that our students here, and of course, kung meron tayong nakalagay na data dito, yung mga grades nila, dito na. Okay? For those who are asking, meron na bang matatag for the grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7? Until now, wala pa rin po akong templates para sa card na matatag. So, kailangan ko pa talagang antayin, kasi nga kailangan kong make sure na yung tamang template ng matatag yung magamit ko, kasi nga mahirap na mag-ulit-ulit sa trabaho. Okay? So, I hope your problem is fixed with this tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.